Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the ETF called FNGU or Microsectors plus FANG plus Index 3x leveraged. So this is by Bank of Montreal, and this Microsector FANG ETF, FANG Index and 3x leverage on top of that. As the name suggests, this is a very high beta, high flying and highly volatile index or ETF that you can see in front of you. But the characteristics of this ETF, as you can see by its name, that it's a very highly volatile, and from the top it has already corrected nearly 79%. But these kind of indices will give you a decent amount of return if you know when to enter and when to exit. Okay, so let's start analyzing this trend, because it has fallen a lot, and if it falls below a certain level, obviously one should look at it, because these kind of ETF when give returns is one of the best in a very short amount of time, and you need not to focus on which stock should I buy, or which are the number of stock should I buy when the market really started moving. Okay, you purchased an ETF and that ETF will solve that equation for you. So let's start analyzing this. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, let's hit on the subscribe button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, as you can see, the momentum from the lows of March 2020 to the highs of 2021, this ETF itself given you a smacking return of 2000%, and this is not a joke. An ETF given you a return of 2000% even a span of one and a half year is not at all a joke, and we can understand, or we must understand, the kind of momentum it has displayed. Obviously, when something has risen in such an extreme manner, the fall should be very high and very fast, and this is very much visible. 79% from the top is gone. But if you want to go for risk, these are the kind of calculated risk which one must or one should look at. I can't say must, because that is completely depend upon you, but one should look at. Now if you are looking at this trend of FNGU, what you can see here, your next important support levels, and these are probably your buy zone, because once it corrected like 90 or 95% from the top, if let's say if it correct 95% from the top, it means most of the excesses are way over than one can think. So the breakout has happened beyond or above 11.71. Now it is trading below 11.71. So your next support will be 8.86. Now you need to focus on this support level. Below 8.86, you have 5.48, and the least one can expect as your big support is in between 2.27 and 2.57. You know what's the most astonishing thing about this support level? This support level will definitely work. Why? Because this is not a cryptocurrency. Okay, this is not at all, although there are leverage factor that is involved in it. But the thing is, I hope that there is no cryptocurrency. I haven't checked the complete holding, and there are no cryptocurrencies involved in this. If it does not, then whether it is Microsector or FANG, it is fine. Stock can't go below zero, so that's a very good thing. And if you are getting it, let me tell you, right now it is trading at 10.41, and we know that when things goes bad, it can come down to $1 or $2 in a matter of couple of days. If it happens, let me tell you, it's going to be a very good situation for you, because what you are going to do at that time is wait for an upside, and whenever the market turns, you will see these kind of movements. When the market or when its ETF itself can give you 200, 500, 2000% kind of return. So these kind of opportunities you must look at over a period of time, and market is giving you that. So do not ignore this kind of opportunity, and all these levels I have explained to you below 11.71. Consider this your best buy. I would say, I know that those who have purchased at the top, it's going to be very painful for them if they are not yet out, but this zone 2.27, 2.5, 5.48, these are the best buy zones, and I hope things will normalize very soon. I can wish like anybody else, and once things normalize, we will definitely see some very fast move going forward. So this is the end of the video.